If you're trying day trading and you're still losing money, this video might be the reason you finally stop. Because 90% of beginners fail in day trading, not because trading doesn't work, but because they were never taught the right way. No fake profits, no signal groups, no get-rich-quick lies. In the next 45 minutes, I'll show you exactly how day trading really works in 2025, step by step, using the same proc.
My simple 5-minute scalping strategy is not built for gamblers, emotional traders, or people chasing fast money. This strategy is designed for disciplined traders who want consistency, clarity, and rules. Most traders fail not because the market is difficult, but because they trade without structure. Scalping exposes every weakness a trader has: impatience, fear, greed, and lack of discipline. That is why a rules-based system is mandatory. In this lesson, I will teach you a professional-level 5-minute scalping framework, exactly how a real trader would explain it in a private trading room. No hype, no indicator overload, no guessing. Just rules, logic, and execution. Before we even look at a chart, you must understand this. Scalping is not about making a lot of money per trade. It is about stacking small, high-probability wins while controlling risk. Professional scalpers do not chase candles. They wait for price to come to them. They do not trade every movement. They trade specific conditions. The 5-minute time frame works because it offers a balance between speed and structure. It is fast enough to capture intraday momentum and slow enough to filter out random noise that destroys beginners on lower time frames. This strategy uses only 3 tools: market structure, exponential moving averages, and volume. If you need more than this, you are compensating for lack of skill with indicators. We use the 9 EMA and the 21 EMA. These act as dynamic support and resistance and help us stay aligned with momentum. When the market is trending, price respects these EMAs. When the EMAs are flat, the market is telling you to stay out. Professionals listen. Amateurs force trades. Market structure is the foundation. You must identify whether the market is in an uptrend, downtrend, or range. In an uptrend, price makes higher highs and higher lows and stays above the EMAs. In a downtrend, price makes lower highs and lower lows and stays below the EMAs. If price is chopping sideways and EMAs are flat, you do not trade. Scalping ranges is one of the fastest ways to destroy an account. For a buy setup on the 5-minute chart, the rules are simple but strict. First, the higher time frame must confirm an uptrend. Second, price must pull back toward the 9 or 21 EMA. Third, volume should decrease during the pullback, showing that selling pressure is weak. Fourth, a clear bullish rejection candle must form at the EMA, such as a strong bullish engulfing candle or a rejection wick with a solid close. Only after the candle closes do you enter the trade. No anticipation, no guessing. For a sell setup, the logic is identical but reversed. The higher time frame confirms a downtrend. Price pulls back into the EMAs. Volume decreases during the pullback. A bearish rejection candle forms. Entry is taken only at candle close. If any of these conditions are missing, there is no trade. Discipline is what keeps you profitable. Stop-loss placement is non-negotiable. Your stop goes below the most recent swing low for buys and above the most recent swing high for sells. You never widen your stop. You never remove it. You never hope. Hope is not a strategy. Risk per trade should never exceed 1% of your account. Many professional scalpers risk even less. Survival is the first goal. Profit comes second. Take profit targets in scalping must be realistic. This is not swing trading. A 1-to-1 risk-to-reward ratio is more than enough for beginners. As consistency improves, 1.5-to-1 can be used. Some traders take partial profits at key structure levels and let the rest run briefly. The key is speed and consistency. Get in, get paid, get out. There are also times when you must not trade. Do not trade during high-impact news. Do not trade when you are emotional. Do not trade after multiple losses in a row. Do not trade low-volume sessions. The best traders know when not to trade. Patience is a skill that pays. A professional daily routine looks like this. Mark trend on higher time frame, wait for price to come to EMAs on the 5-minute chart, wait for confirmation, execute without hesitation, manage the trade, log the result, and stop once your daily goal or limit is reached. No revenge trading, no overtrading, no exceptions. Most beginners fail because they enter too early, trade without structure, over-leverage, ignore volume, or break their own rules. Rules exist to protect you from yourself. If you master discipline, this strategy will serve you for years. This 5-minute scalping strategy works, but only if you follow it exactly as taught. Trading is not about excitement, it is about execution. Treat it like a business, not a casino. If you want to become consistent, stop searching for new strategies and start mastering one. Consistency comes from repetition, not novelty. This simple 5-minute scalping strategy changed how I trade forever. My rules-based 5-minute scalping strategy, Professional Trader explains it. Stop guessing. This 5-minute scalping system actually works. How professional traders scalp the 5-minute chart, step by step. Most traders fail because they trade without rules. In this video, I break down my simple but powerful 5-minute scalping strategy, exactly how a professional trader would teach it. This is a rules-based system focused on discipline, market structure, EMA pullbacks, volume confirmation, and proper risk management. No hype, no overcomplicated indicators, just a clean framework you can apply immediately. If you want to stop gambling and start trading with confidence, this video will change how you see the market forever. Watch until the end to understand why patience and rules matter more than any indicator. Keywords: scalping strategy, 5-minute scalping, trading strategy, day trading, professional trader, EMA scalping, price action trading, Forex scalping, stock scalping, crypto scalping, trading psychology, risk management, how to scalp, trading for beginners, profitable scalping system.